welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be talking to you guys about my updated favorite curly hair products and tools. So let's just get right into it. So my first favorite is shampoo. So on a weekly basis I usually wash my hair, and I wash my hair with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. This is my favorite. I've thought about like switching it up and trying something different, but when I did do that, I didn't like it. So I'm like, you know what, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So I've kept this as a staple as my shampoo. This is one I use every week, and yeah, I love it. It doesn't strip my hair too much, but it also makes my hair feel very clean. So that's why I like it. And then once a month or so, once a month or once every 2 months depending, I do a clarifying mask, which is with the Indian healing clay, and it just, like, you know, gets all the buildup in my hair out. And I do it in conjunction with the apple cider vinegar, and I also add some coconut oil in it to give it extra, I wouldn't say moisture, but you know, help you know, get that in there and clean my hair. It also helps elongate my curls and get my curls popping. So I always like to use this at least once a month or once every 2 months. So yeah, so those are my cleansers. And next I will move into deep conditioners. So I like to play around with deep conditioners. Most of my products, my staples, I usually like keep as staples, but I'm more open to like playing around with deep conditioners. Lately I've been playing around with them. I usually, or was using very frequently, the Camille, my favorite was the Camille Rose Algae Renew, but that hasn't really been my favorite lately. I don't know if they changed the formula or not, but I haven't been feeling it as much as I used to. My other favorite was the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey one, and that was just because it was like super thick, super creamy, and not overly expensive. But I decided to switch it up lately and try different ones. And as of lately, my favorites have been the Miche. I don't have the jar because I actually like used the rest of it up, but the Miche deep conditioner and the Uncle Funky's Daughter deep conditioner. This was called the Heal and Renew Intensive Hair Mask. I really like this. It smells really good. It's creamy, it's thick, and it gives like a nice tingling sensation to my hair, I mean my scalp. And yeah, so far this one and the Miche are my favorite as of now. And I've also tried, last week I tried the Talia Wajid. This is the Repair and Restore Hair Strengthening Mask. I wanted to try this because it smelled like bananas. It has shea butter, honey, and bananas in it, and I just like was obsessed with the smell. I would say it's a little, it's not thin, but it's thinner than I like. I like really rich, thick deep conditioners. I would say this has the consistency of TGIN's deep conditioner, and I would say I like TGIN's deep conditioner better than this, but I did try it and it has an amazing smell. And if you do like lighter weight deep conditioners, then you might want to try this. So there's that. And then let's see, so I still have to try this. I haven't tried this yet. This is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask, and yeah, I heard good things about this. It smells like blueberries, and it's thick. It's more like thick, like how I like it. So I'm gonna try this next week, but I feel like I'm gonna really like this. And it smells really good too. So I wouldn't say these aren't really staples or my, you know, something I've tried yet, but I'm just saying I play around with deep conditioners just to, like, you know, so I try something new. And yeah, you know, how bad could it be? So there's that. And then as you guys know, still my favorite detangler is the Aussie Moist. I use this before I put my deep conditioner on, and I leave it on my hair, and then I add the deep conditioner on top of this. I don't rinse it out. So I really like this because it helps me to finger through my hair very quickly and easily in the shower with minimal breakage or shedding. And then I can just like put my deep conditioner right on top. I don't rinse it out because it also allows me to use less deep conditioner because I am heavy-handed. So if I didn't have anything on my hair, I'm likely to scoop the entire jar versus, like, you know, a quarter or something. So I just keep it on just to keep that slip feeling on my hand, so I feel like there's still like conditioner on my hair, and then I'm adding my conditioner to it. That way I'm not overly, you know, using the deep conditioner product or whatever. So yeah, that is my conditioners. And moving into, I guess, a tool. Well, it's not really a tool, but I always put my hair in these gigantic like scrunchies. because my hair is so thick and it's getting longer, I need thick scrunchies now. So I've been using these thick scrunchies to put my hair in a bun. My hair goes into a full bun now, and I'll just like put this on, and then I'll put a shower cap on top of that, sit under the hooded dryer for an hour. I would show you guys my hooded dryer, but it's just a typical hooded dryer. I put it on like medium high heat, and I sit under there for an hour every time I wash my hair, every week. So there's that. So now into styling. Now I usually style my hair one of two ways. I either do a wash and go like I did now, or I do a protective style like braids or twists or something. And I wouldn't say I do my hair differently, but it's slightly different. So I guess I could talk about protective styles first. A moisturizer. So lately I've been liking the Tilia Wajid Curly Curl Cream. This stuff smells really good, and it's like a fresh smell. Like, smells like, I don't know, like fresh clothes, but better. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it smells really good, and it has really good slip, and it makes my hair feel really nice, like really, really nice, and feel really, really moisturized. So I always use this as of lately, and I bought like 3 jars of these, so I've been using these as of lately from like my twists or my braids as a cream. And as you guys know, I use my Tub O butter. So this is my butter oil mix. I just put it in a giant tub for myself because I use it all the time. But as you can see, I sell it. And if you guys would like to buy it, I have the link in my bio for you, or my description box for you guys to get, if you guys would like to try it. It has 5 stars on Etsy. Everybody who's talked about it tells me how much they love it, how much it moisturizes their hair and their skin. So yeah. Okay, so that's pretty much it when it comes down to my protective styles. I don't put anything else in my hair. I always detangle with a wide tooth comb, and then I further detangle with my tangle teaser. And when I separate my hair, I always use many clips. I section my hair usually into like a maximum of 12 sections. Like, I have very thick hair, and I have a tighter to curl pattern, so the more sections the better for your hair. So I have tons of these things, like in all kinds of colors, and I use them to keep my hair neat and sectioned out the way so I can style my hair efficiently and a good amount of time. So yeah, that's it for my protective styling. For my wash and go, which is a bit more complex, I had to start off with I usually only do 3 products for my wash and go, but lately I've been doing 4. Only because my hair loves it so much. Like, my hair, like, do you see this wash and go, y'all? Yeah, this was with 4 products, but my curls look so good. This is day 3 hair. Like, this wash and go is so good. And then look how elongated and long my hair's been getting. Like, my wash and go is so happy, guys. It looks so good. Curls are popping, and it's super soft. So what I use, okay, so lately I've been making my own conditioner. It doesn't really smell like anything, but it looks like this. And I actually got this idea to make my own conditioner from I Am Stephanie. I made a video about it a few videos back where I talk about the triple moist conditioner. She makes it, she's the original maker of the conditioner, and when I used it, I really loved the slip. Lately she has announced that she's not going to be selling her conditioner anymore, but only maybe like limited time whenever she decides to sell them. So I googled some how to make conditioner recipes, and I decided to make my own conditioner, and I get the same results from making it myself. So this conditioner I actually made myself, and this stuff has been making my hair have so much slip, like so much slip. And yeah, I actually use like a few different ingredients from her, but yeah, I've been modifying and playing around with it, and I'm just like, wow, like I wish I knew this before, how easy it is to make conditioner. But yeah, I've been making my own conditioner, and so this is like I would call my leave-in conditioner that I've been using first to help give this slip that I love and my hair loves. And then I follow up with BL Twisting Souffle, and this has like a lot of moisture in it. This is very, 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 very thick. It smells super good, and it's like super thick. It's almost gone actually. I have another jar because I love this stuff so much for my wash and goes, and my hair loves this stuff. Then I use my butter to lock all that moisture in. I use my butter again. I usually put my butter on my roots, and then I also put it on the shaft of my hair. I detangle with a YC comb, followed up by my detangler, my tangle teaser. And last but not least, I don't have the label on this, but this is Kinky Curly Curling Custard, my favorite gel. Now this gel is expensive, okay? So now that I've added another like conditioner to my wash and go, I have so much product already on my hair that I really don't even need that much gel. And it kind of works out because this conditioner is so expensive that I don't really want to use a whole lot of it. So I only like a little bit amount on the section because it already has so much moisture, and it kind of just holds it a bit versus using it as the moisturizer and the hold. So that works out. So yeah, this is Kinky Curly Curling Custard, my favorite curling custard. And then I just lately I've been getting back into using my Demon brush because this helps to just like further silkify my hair. And I stopped using it for a while because I thought it was like unnecessary because I had the tangle teaser, but I noticed that I get way more definition and silkiness when I use the Demon brush. So I'm back to using the Demon brush, and I just like the all black one. It just looks very sleek, so I got the all black one. This is like a regular Demon brush. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. So as far as the last thing I would like to mention is gel. So I noticed that I started using Styler at the beginning of this year because I ran out of wet line, I was getting lazy and whatever. So, and I noticed I started getting some thinness like in the front of my hair. You see that? Oh my gosh. So I was like, ooh, yeah. So I went back to wet line, and I don't think wet line was any better. So I was like, and my friend suggested to put castor oil in the wet line. Tried that too. I don't think it was any better. So I decided I needed to change gels. So my friend told me about this years ago, back when Styler was really popular with using as a wash and go gel. And she told me she uses the IC hair polisher gel. She said actually she finds that it's better for her hair. It's not as crunchy or dry with this gel, and it's kind of comparative. She said it's with sparkle lights and it has aloe vera in it, and yeah, it's not, I wouldn't say it has the best ingredients, but the ingredients are way better than wet line and way better than Styler, and it's only $3.99. okay, $3.99 for this big old tub. So I've been using this lately. It smells like freshness. It smells fresh. But I've been using this gel for my edges when I do use my gel. But I also have been just like trying not to use too much gel on my edges. So like when I do style my wash and go, and I'm putting the product on my hair, and then I'm putting the Kinky curler in my hair, I make sure to brush all the product into my hair, and I slick it down, and then I shingle, and I make sure this stays slick. So I'm not like overly putting gel on my edges, and the only time I'll put gel on my edges is like when I'm about to go out and I'm just trying to fix up like the very baby hairs, because my baby hairs, they're not going nowhere, but my actual edges don't like protein type gel, so I try not to use it as much. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. When I do wash and go, I always use a water bottle, and I also been using green tea when I feel like it, because I don't always use green tea, but I try to use it when I can, mostly because it helps with shedding. I haven't been getting a lot of shedding lately. That's probably why I'm not as like consistent with it, because I haven't felt like I needed it like I did a few months back. But it's definitely something I like to use, especially when I'm protective styling for a while. I want to make sure I'm not going to get a lot of shedding when I take my braids or twist down. So I'll just use like some organic green tea. Literally, like I just dip it like you if you were about to make tea. Just don't add sugar. Put it in your water bottle and spray it on your scalp and spray it on your hair. And yeah, it's not sticky because you're not adding sugar, so it literally feels like water. So yeah, and that's it. I'll also do a video when for my straight hair products. My straight hair products haven't really changed, but I have like taken out and added like a couple things. So yeah, that video will come out sometime in the future. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.